Our business takes the majority of our income from our customers via card payments. Our customers are our licensees. Following the departure from the European Union, certain card types saw the fees associated with them increase by more than fivefold, adding hundreds of thousands of pounds to our card processing costs each year. We put together a Go.M.A.D team with a 60-day project to try and mitigate those fees. The team encompassed people from diverse backgrounds across the business, which allowed them to analyse the problem from many points of views and come up with a solution that could be implemented successfully within a short period of time.
So we are a lease-intended pub company, and we deal with community pubs around the UK. So we deal with property, and we have licensees that operate their sites. Unfortunately, not all licensees maintain the sites to the standard we want to. So what we were trying to do was make sure that our licensees maintain their sites and hand them back to us in the same condition we gave it to them. We'd tried to do this before, and we'd failed. We'd failed multiple times actually, and what Go.M.A.D gave us was a framework to work with to define an objective and a goal in the right way. Set a timeline behind us to deliver it and get buy-in from different people within our business.
Probably the most impactful project for us has been the project called Cellar, which was effectively providing an information system for our field teams to be able to manage our business more effectively.
Where we found ourselves, especially after our last acquisition, is that we had information all over the place. This is information that the field teams needed on a regular daily basis. It was accessible in different ways, through different platforms, online, offline, and it was incoherent. So what we decided to do is get together and approach this problem from the user's perspective. And everything we did through the Go.M.A.D philosophy was entirely focused to make the user experience, the customer experience, much, much better.
This had been an ongoing issue for many years. Nobody believed at the beginning that we could make a real difference. And in a 60-day project, we delivered something that absolutely blew the doors off as far as the field teams were concerned. The real power of the framework has been to improve the quality of our thinking before we do. We've always been very good at doing things, but quite often we missed the mark and had to redo them. By asking the right questions at the right stage and involving others much more than we used to do, I think we have far better quality to our thinking prior to doing, and therefore we're aiming before we fire and we hit the target far more effectively.